Hello, today I'm going to show you how to edit video using Canva. Today I'm going to go ahead and use a YouTube Shorts type of template, but you can use anything really that you want to. All of the principles are going to be the same. So if I type in something like YouTube Shorts, it's going to give me all these different pre-made templates here that I can choose from. And I'll make a future video kind of using one of these here, but today I wanted to really show you like the basic tools of video editing inside of Canva. So we're going to create a blank YouTube short here. And then the first thing that you gotta understand is the layout and what you're viewing here. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. These are all the different features over here. We'll talk about them here in a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and hide this. What you see in the middle here is the actual project. And down here is your timeline. One of the first things that we should understand about the timeline is how to make a clip shorter and or longer. And there's a couple different ways that you can do that. One, we can select the clip. It has this little purple highlight around it, letting us know that we have it selected. Go up here to this little edit timing icon up here, and I can lengthen it, right? Or I could shorten it. So that's one way that we can do it. Another way that we can make this clip longer or shorter is just by simply bringing our mouse over to the edge of that clip, and then you see these two little bars show up on each side. If I click and hold and then drag, then it will make that clip longer. I can do the same thing over here. Let's say I want to make this one shorter. I can come over here and make it shorter. The other way that we can make a clip shorter is by cutting it, right? By splitting the clip. So there are a couple different ways that you can split the clip. One of the ways is that you would go ahead and hover over where you want to split it, and then you would do a right click, and then you could hit split, right? And that will split the page here. And then, by the way, if you ever want to undo something that you did, you just hold down Command Z, and it will undo whatever you just did. The other way that you can split something is you can hover over and then click to position the playhead, and then you just select S on the keyboard, and then it will split that clip right where your playhead was located. So even on this one over here, let's say I wanted to split it kind of down the middle, I can just hit S and then it splits that clip. And if I ever want to delete one of these clips, then we can either right click and then hit delete page, or what's even a lot faster is just click on the clip and then hit delete on the keyboard, and then it gets rid of it. I'm gonna go ahead and select a colored background for right now on this clip, just so that we can see the clips a little bit more clearly. To change the background, we go up to this little color wheel type of box up here. We'll go ahead and select this, and then I can either choose a custom color right over here, right? Or I can choose one of these kind of pre-made colors over here. Right, so I'll just go ahead and choose this color. The other thing that I wanted to show you is how to duplicate a page. Like, let's say you're making a YouTube short and you want all of your pages to have a little bit of a uniform structure, and you want them to have the same background. So what I can do, rather than clicking and dragging and then making a bunch of different splits, what I can do is say, let's say I want each one of these to only be 3 seconds long. So I'll come down here, make it 3 seconds long. And then what I would do is duplicate this page. So I can either click on these 3 dots here, or I can right click and then I can select duplicate page, or you'll notice we have another shortcut here, and I can do Command D, and that will also duplicate the page. So if I select this, it'll duplicate the page, but then again, we have a shortcut. If I select the clip and then on my keyboard, I hit Command D, it duplicates it. I can do it again, Command D, Command D, Command D. So now I have 6 different clips, and each of them are 3 seconds long. I do want to go ahead and show you just how to add some stock footage right within Canva. So to do this, we're gonna have to look at our little features panel over here. We have everything from elements to text to photos. Today I just want to very quickly go ahead and show you the video stock footage stuff. So if we select video right here, and we can go ahead and search for a background that we want. So let's say I just look for, we'll just put like drone footage, right? Okay, here's some drone footage here. There's two different ways that I can get this footage onto this clip, okay? One of the ways is I can go ahead and select the clip that I want to add it to, and then I would tap on the footage here, and then it's going to kind of resize it and everything and put it onto that clip. Now what you do want to notice is that it changed the duration of this clip, right? And that's where you might want to just go ahead and select the clip, and you're going to want to take the sidebar over here and trim it down back to 3 seconds again. So that's one way to get the clip in there. I'm gonna go ahead and select this and delete it. Let's say I want that to be the actual background though. What I can do is I can click and drag. So I clicked, I held it, I'm dragging it over, and then when I come over here, you kind of have to hold it towards the edge. It'll spread it out like this, and then it will make it the actual background of that clip. Let's say that it's not exactly centered where I want it to be. I can go ahead and double tap on it, right? Double clip, and then I can change where or what part of that video I want to be featured. I kind of like it right here in the middle though. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, and then I click off to the side, and then we're good to go. So let me go ahead and do this with one more here, just to kind of show you. Let's say I want this one right here to be added to this clip. Well, I gotta make sure that I then click on this clip, and now I can go ahead and add it in there. It's gonna, again, change the duration. I'm gonna go ahead and split it right here and then delete this one. And then I'm gonna drag this one down to be at about 6 seconds or so. Or I'm sorry, three seconds. There we go. And now if I wanna play this, I can go ahead and select play, and I'll see how it will switch the clip right there. Okay, and you can also hit spacebar to stop the video. You can also hit spacebar to play the video. These are the basic tools that you're going to need to get started with Canva. I will make future videos about how to add in text and how to do transitions and all of that. So stay tuned, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.